Guys, today I will show you how to create new Django project in 2 minutes. Firstly, subscribe my YouTube channel and let's do it. Firstly, create new folder and open the terminal. And like code. Okay. Open the VS Code. New terminal. Create new virtual environment. -m wamp my wamp. Enter. Source bin activate my virtual environment. Bin activate. Okay, active my wamp. Pip install Django. All package in install. Okay. If you are check pip install pip freeze. Okay. Django 2.3. Django admin. Start project. Project name. My project. CD my project. Okay. Oops. Lure. CD my project. Django. Admin. Start app. My app. Name. My app. And /manage.py. Migrate all packages and migrate. That's all. Manage py, run server. Press Ctrl and click. Okay. That's all. Django project is ready.